Hey, what's up guys? This is my friend Captain Diaz back with another video regarding the facts. And this has been a long time since we covered the facts, and this is not type of any company. This is for one of the most used application for the Android users, known by the Google Play Store. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the mind-blowing facts which you might didn't know about the Play Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. There are a lot of gift cards around us and we are crazy of the free gift cards. Especially talking Google's gift cards are one of the most popular among all the people around the earth because it makes the application easy and it can be also a paid app which you can redeem with the gift cards. And due to a huge area of the Google that is possible that people are crazy about the Google's Play Store gift card. There are varieties of applications available on the Google Play Store, and basic applications that you will be discarding around is the applications and the games. And in games there are a lot of varieties, in applications there are a lot of variety, but most of the applications, which is around 40% of applications, are the games downloaded from the Google Play Store, which means 60% are the applications. And as per the applications which might be a pre-installed application on your device, it also counts over here. If we are talking about the games, then why would we forget the kings, the Candy Crush? Candy Crush is one of the most revenue generating application on the Google Play Store, and it has been served with the top grossing on a lot of different aspects on the Google Play Store on a lot of different markets. This application was still famous in today's time, and it's gonna be famous in the future too, because it is one of the most basic game which you can play on a 1 gig RAM phone also. Between around 2013 to 2014, the top app downloads of the Google Play Store was grew by the 50%. And by the time of the 2013 and 14, most of the people switched to the touchscreen based smartphone, and that's the only reason they're gonna be shifting to the Android side. Basic smartphones were cheaper over the Android side, and a lot of different perspectives were there. That's the only reason top downloads grew. Basically, Android is one of the big market, and that's the only reason most of the developers first use the Android, or you can say this Google Play Store, to upload that application. And the format to upload the application on the Play Store is .apk, and it depends on a lot of different perspectives. And basically it becomes a kind of a say cheap, or you can say it is completely free over the Play Store to upload an application. It's up to you where you have to optimize your application and that all stuff, but free becomes a kind of easier for a developer who is starting and getting to know about a lot of different things over the complete around the ecosystem of the Android and different varieties of the people and different things. Most of the applications, which means around 98% of the applications on the Google Play Store, are completely free. Yeah, that's kind of hard to believe, because when I was looking around, one of my favorite, or you can say one of my think out applications, they're mostly paid. And when I look around the surfing browser and I found this thing, it was kind of a mind-blowing thing. Have you ever wondered why the applications have been paid? Because the company wants to earn more revenue? No. It is due to the efforts and that all stuff. If they are not providing ads and that all things, that's the only reason they will be going the paid application. Or else they show a kind of a sign whenever you download the application before it, powered by the ads, or you can say ads included in the application. So yeah, it becomes easier for us whether you want to download the application and not do. So yeah, it's completely up to us, which is a really nice thing about the Play Store and different stores. Which are the top 5 most downloaded applications of the Google Play Store? You want to be thinking it would be completely like a most surfed around application, but no, it's of the Google. Yeah, Google, Gmail, and there are all different applications were one of the first, I can say one of the most downloaded applications, which means 1 billion plus. It is kind of hard to believe for a developer, but yeah, basically they are mostly what do you say, pre-installed on your application, but still it is really nice thing. Which type of application generates the most revenue from the Google Play Store? Man, we think they definitely gonna be applications, because Average person also uses Instagram, and there are different applications which are social media based, and those come under the application. But no, games are one of the most valuable for the Google Play Store because they generate a lot of revenue, which is a really nice thing. Yeah, those were some of the most interesting facts which I came around from the Google Play Store. And if you are a user of Google Play Store, and if you surf around and found anything like this, then let me know in the comment section down below. And doesn't mean we won't be covering about the companies and that other stuff. We definitely want to be doing some companies fact, but for that you have to press the bell icon and stay tuned over this channel. By the way, if you end up liking this video, then share among our friends and families who think that yeah, it's like this and this, but it's like this and that. Let them know. By the way, this was Captain Diaz, and those were some of the good facts about the Play Store. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.